Hey, in this video we're going to be discussing the Ryobi 40 volt string trimmer brushless motor with the carbon shaft. Hey, if you like this kind of content, click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content. Let's go! Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, today we're doing another Ryobi review video. This one is the 40 volt brushless 15-inch carbon neck string trimmer or weed eater, whatever you want to call it. But it also has the expandable capabilities where the end can come off and you can put other attachments on. That's one of the reasons I really bought this, as well as I've really been upgrading all my tools over, I'd say, about the last year. You've probably seen a lot of videos on that where we've been moving from 18 volt outdoor tools to 40 volt. A lot more power, a lot more capabilities, a lot more longevity. Started that with my mower, which we got a great review on from Ryobi. Love the 20-inch 40 volt. And so I picked this up at Walmart. Actually, I had it ordered and delivered to me, but it was about $200. Link here for that. So this is pretty simple. This shouldn't do a lot other than, throw a battery in there, do a weed. It's got a couple settings. It says it's got 3x power, and it does have the carbon neck, and overall this box package is pretty light. So let me just put this down for a second. This is what I'm replacing. So this is my old, it's been tried and true. 18 volt, works really, really well. Very simple. Just press the button. But it's been good. It's been good. It's got, it's got some trimmer capabilities, but it's pretty simple and you can turn it around. So I wanted a, one of the reasons I got this was I actually am going to use an expandable edger on it as well, because I wanted much more straight lines. This is fine, it gets the job done, but my edges feel like they're a little zigzaggy. So with that said, let's go ahead and unbox these and get started. All right, let's go. Okay, this is pretty simple. This was the tool only because I got a lot of 40 volts, so I didn't add. So I tell you what, let's just go ahead and open this up, take a look inside, and see if we're gonna have to string up the weed eater, or if it actually came preloaded. It'd be great if it came preloaded. I doubt it. Big box, not a lot inside of it. Okay, oh, just like I thought. So you got a big bag of stuff here. We'll open this up a second, take a look at it. Got some more container stuff. Got some more container stuff here as well. All right, so we've got the main shaft. Comes inside of here. Ah, you know what? I was completely wrong. This thing does come preloaded. Thank God. I thought we were gonna have to wire this whole thing up and do all of this. All right, so this is pretty sweet. So this comes preloaded. Looks to be pretty simple. We'll just take these things off, hook them up, and then put in the neck. And then I've got a 40 volt battery that we can do. All right, let's go quickly do this. YouTube, we got this put together. It's ready to go. Couple things to note before we get started is it does have a safety here, so this won't go up unless this is pulled in. And once we get going, just pull it in. It starts up. Not too loud. And then we got we got two settings. Got this one a little bit lower, and then we got the high setting. Kind of hear the difference as we go through. Also, here's the battery on the back. I've got a 5 amp hour that I already had in my battery stock for 40 volts. Actually fits up pretty flush. It's kind of nice. All right, tell you what, let's go see this thing in action. All right, I had mowed the grass yesterday, and so around these trees is pretty simple. Again, this is kind of because it is a 15-inch, it's really a little bit larger. It may be a little overkill for my residential yard, but let's give it a go. All right, first impressions, this thing is awesome. There is no lag. There's no struggle like I had with the 18 volt where it kind of hit and stagger a little bit. This thing is solid. Let's go do these stair steps. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see it down. All right, let's do these stair steps. It's coming up, just so you can kind of get a really good feeling for how well this works. I mean, this thing is effortless. All right, well, hey, again, I said this is gonna be a short video. This is just a string trimmer. It's nothing complicated like we've done in some other videos. My final impressions are, I am very glad I bought this thing. I'm looking forward to putting the edger attachment on here as well. But it actually weeded so seamlessly and so easy in about a quarter of the time that I would sit there and run around with the 18 volt one, and I can really see this really well. What it's hitting, and I got a little bit more control with it. So very happy with this. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content. Thanks again for your time, and look forward to the next iteration of this with the edging attachment. All right, thanks.